हे ट्रेडर्स, इंट्राडे में स्कैल्पिंग करते हो आप? अगर आप करते हो तो द मोस्ट क्रिटिकल पार्ट ऑफ इट इज स्पीड एंड द ईज ऑफ इट, एंड 915 गिव्स मी दैट। एंड ये यूज कैसे करते हैं एंड इंट्राडे में स्कैल्पिंग होता क्या है, ये सब जानेंगे इस वाले वीडियो में। तो स्टे ट्यून टू हैव अ लुक इन डेप्थ इनटू द स्कैल्पर विजेट राइट नाउ। ओके, शुरू करते हैं गाइस। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अ न्यू लेआउट, और देयर आर प्रीसेट लेआउट्स व्हिच आर अवेलेबल जिसमें स्कैल्पर जोन का लेआउट है। So I'll start with scalper zones layout. So once I click the scalper zone, this is what gets popped up. I want to focus on scalper. So what I'll do is I'll maximize the scalper and I'm not looking at positions and other tools that are there. Okay, let's focus on scalper first. So ये क्या है? There are 3 different panes that are available, and ये panes क्या क्या है, आपको use कैसे करने हैं, ये देखते हैं। तो the first pane on my left hand side is the call chart of the ATM strike. Okay, I can switch it on, switch it off, and only look at call as well. So if I select only call, the call gets popped up. If I select everything, everything is back to what we were seeing at the start. So the middle chart is your spot chart, and the right hand side chart is your ATM put chart. So now the instrument is denoted on the chart at the top. You can change the symbol. Over here also it is denoted. And what you can do is you can change your time frames or add indicators on different charts as well. तो आपके जो स्टडीज है, आप जो जो यूज कर रहे हो इंडिकेटर्स, ये भी आप ऐड कर पाओगे। पहले क्या करोगे, लेट्स I want to do it on 1 minute time frame. So let me change everything to 1 minute. So the first thing I like to do is that once I change my time frame to 1 minute, because that is what I want to scalp on the time frame. The second setting I like to do is if I press on buy or sell directly on the chart, the order card pops up. But as a trader, I like to do it with speed. So how to change that? If I want to trade from chart, the first setting I'll do is that I'll press on trading and then I'll select instant order placement. What it will do, once I click on buy, directly the order will get placed. So what is available on the bottom side is the lots and quantity. Okay, so right now I can increase my multiplier कि मैं कितने लॉट्स करना चाहता हूं, या आई कैन गो बैक टू क्वांटिटी एंड आई सिलेक्ट कि चलो मुझे 600 क्वांटिटी एवरी ट्रेड पे करना है. फॉर द टाइम बीइंग आई विल सेट इट टू 75. ओके, वन क्वांटिटी वन लॉट आई विल सेट इट अप. Next is the instrument on which I want to scalp. So Nifty is there, Sensex is there, Bank Nifty is there, Midcap Nifty is there. So all the indices are present what I want to scalp for. So right now for this scalper, I'll rename it to Scalper Nifty. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll keep 31st July or any expiry that I want over here. Now the next step is what strike price you want to trade for on the call side as well as on the put side. Let's suppose I'm trading at an OTM call. Okay, so I can directly select OTM 1, OTM 2, or I can fix it to ATM as well. So for the time being, let's do ATM on the call side. On the right side, again on the put, I have option to select my own strike or keep it variable as well. I can keep OTM 1 as well or ITM 1 as well. So there is an option for that as well. So you can see different strike calls and puts I can watch for, and now I can trade into it. So let's put it back to ATM. So both my charts are on ATM right now. Let's look at your placement widget, how the placement occurs. So you are watching the screen, you are watching the spot. So now let's suppose I want to trade on the put side or call side. I can quickly do it by shift up arrow key by buying a call, or shift and left hand side arrow key to sell a call. Similarly, on the put side, what I can do is that I can press shift and down arrow key to buy a put, and shift and right arrow key to sell that put as well. For which strike? The strike what I have selected. So let me try and do some trades over here and let's see how those trades go in. So let's suppose I have bought in these two puts. Now that is there. On the call side, I want to do in OTM. Let's suppose I selected OTM and I want to buy those OTMs as well. So calls now I am trying to buy. So what is happening is call is getting bought over here and you can directly exit it from the chart as well. Similarly, from the chart I can exit, or on the bottom side I have an exit all option. So directly from exit all, I can exit everything and all my positions will get squared off. Now why this is important or the speed is key in this is because markets are extremely fast and they are moving continuously. You're watching your screen, you're analyzing your data from different widgets, and 915 gives me that ability to scalp as soon as possible in the market. Hey traders, that was it for Scalper widget. See you back again in the next widget video.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.